Now, what is the income of a country? Intuitively, the income of a country is the income of all the residents of the country. This gives us the total income of the country. Like in our society, how we are comparing the different family, which family is rich, which family is poor. So we are calculating the income of the family, means the income of the members of the family who is earning a good income. So according to that, we are comparing the family. In the same way, in our country also, we are comparing the different countries on the basis of income. And what is the income of a country? Income of a country means income of the people living in the country, resident of the country. It gives us the total income of the country. However, for comparison between countries, total income is not such a useful measure. Since countries have different population, comparing total income will not tell us what an average person is likely to earn. In different countries, many pupils are there. Their earnings are different. So total income, it is not the useful measure to compare the countries. Are people in one country better off than the others in different country? Hence, we compare the average income, which is the total income of the country divided by its total population. So, to compare the different country, instead of taking total income of the country, we are taking average income of the country. Average income means total income of the country divided by number of the population, number of people living in that country. For example, there is a country A where 5 residents are there and their income is, first person is earning 10,000 in a month, second 5,000, third 7,000, fourth 10,000 and fifth 5,000. So what will be the total income of the country? Total income of a country means total income of the persons. So here we have to do addition. So the number which we will get is total 37,000. It means 37,000 will be the total income of country A. So to calculate the different countries, what we are taking, not the total income, but we are using average income. So what is the formula of average income? It will be the total income of a country by number of people. So here you can see the total income. What is the total income? 37,000. So here you have to write 37,000 and number of people 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here you have to write 5. Here you will get 7,400. It means the average income means the average income of a person. It will be 7,400. So in this way we are calculating the average income of a person. Average income, which is total income. In World Development Reports brought out by World Bank, this criteria is used in classifying countries. Countries with per capita income of $12,236 per annum and above in 2016 are rich countries, and those with per capita income of $1,005 or less are called low-income countries. According to the World Development Report, countries were classified into 2 categories: rich countries and low-income countries. Rich countries, the countries with per capita income of $12,236 per annum, and low-income countries or poor countries, $, with 1,005 or less are calculated. India comes in the category of low middle income countries because its per capita income in 2016 was just $1,840 per annum. The rich countries excluding countries of Middle East, and certain small countries are generally called the developed countries.